Wyatt may have the most dangerous mind in sports entertainment history.
Yeah, what's scary is he's just getting started, Cole. I'm afraid to think about how dangerous he'll become.
Big match for him tonight, but he certainly looks up for the challenge.
And approaching the ring, weighing in at 315 pounds, Rowan.
Look around. Everybody is on their feet right now.
Calling this one's going to be a real treat, Michael. And I know you feel the same way.
Yep, so does King.
Telling niggas to run it, punching fiends in the stomach. Mama say that's your ass and you tell your team that you're punished. Telling jokes for an hour, remember fatigue jackets, tall can Timbos, remember both of the towers. Remember dirt weed, remember the purple tape. Remember you tried to dance and they told you to percolate. Remember Arnold and Willis, Dudley on the show with them. Remember when that white man tried to molest the both of them. Remember Fresh Prince. Remember when his pops came? Will was like, why he don't want me? Why did he dump me? I told my mom that he got game, sorta like my old man. Remember Carl Weathers? He was lethal with both hands. Project Rooftops, drinking in the staircase. Remember Old English? Hated the way that beer tastes. Remember Helly Hansen? Black leather Vanson. Onyx Last Days, swear to God it was the anthem. Remember I wasn't Ransom. Remember I was Randy. Always used to mumble, couldn't understand me. Remember G.I. Joes? Remember Transformers? My mother bought the toys, but I couldn't transform them. Remember playing tag? No touching black. Green tennis balls, yellow wiffle bats. I can't remember when I thought it was a little whack, but my friends was on the corner, so I started flipping crack. Remember that first pack? Feeling like I'm lost. Fiend took my stash, tried to shoot it off. Remember playing ball with dreams that you made it out? First girlfriend, niggas saying she played you out. Nike windbreakers, all white forces, cutting up in class so they called you in the office. Remember how you felt? Remember you was nauseous? Remember coming home? Remember getting tortured? Remember nosy neighbors looking out the peephole? Remember Bill Cartwright watching them shoot his free throws? Remember Strawberry? Remember Doc Gooden? Remember asking your mom was it done when she started cooking? Remember your apartment? Living on the 3rd floor, stains on the carpet, neighbors knew you was dirt poor. Remember baggy jeans, 5X t-shirts, teacher call your name, but you ain't do all your research. Remember playing Contra, remember fucking Raw, remember that one coffin you thought that you had the monster. Remember Detroit laws, trips to the toy stores, open your kitchen drawer and them packets of soy sauce. Now I'm getting older and it's harder to remember, and I'm paying bills and had a daughter in December. Life is what you make it, guess it's part of the agenda. I'm haunted by the cops that tried to force me to surrender. Looking back at my one-room shack, after finishing the pack, we used to come shoot craps. I remember, just like that. Yeah, I remember, just like that. Do you remember, just like that?
It smell like homicide whenever I'm outside. We wild weapons with our war wounds cause we traumatized. Bernie say we matter, meanwhile Donald lies. Trip wanna burn it to the ground, I'm on Obama's side. He the only one that tried to cut the time regarding drug crime. They like my plug down. Had to take it down to H-Town. The H make way more than the yay. When you break it down, tiptoeing through Tennessee, I don't even make a sound. State to state, F freight, Greyhound. We gon' be straight when they make it from the bay with them pounds. We gon' be straight when they make it from the... Hold up. Gave Bay an ounce to take my braids down. Still a swing it, we ain't let shit slide. This ain't a playground. My backpack a 30 round. Mac in my spray ground. It's a fact you getting whacked or getting text. Little bitch lay it down. Shout out Big A-Ball, he lost 80 pounds staying down. Grind hard, I live that. This how motivated sound. Monday I was eating some hot wings on Orange Mountain. I was just stuck on the thought of how easy it is to just do the wrong thing. Just fuck up and get tricked out your spot. Don't do it. Cell blocks and green dots, December 15th. That piece with myself, live from the gutter. I survived because I seems so long until you're grown. One day you're here, next day you're gone. Damn, face on the shirt, name in a song. Facing 20 like hurting them, plus 5. But they coming home, pray for parole. I'ma stay going in, tryna stay on the road. Pray for a pill, pray for the real. Soda pop, just pop the seal strap like the Navy SEALs. Curtis Jackson, what I pay for them pills. The real McCoy like I play for the Bills. New crib, 20 minutes from the Atlanta Braves field. Couple places in the Ville. Stay out in Vegas still. They snatched my partner, C in Phoenix. I might just move to Houston. From fighting and shooting nightly to flights and Roof Chris. Truth is, the booth is my mental institution. A publishing admin deal, let's not mention my distribution. Independent and can prove it. My intention was self-improvement and self-empowerment. Yeah, respect my movement. I just passed the prison, gifted a special student, school of hard knocks, scholar, athlete, blue chip recruit. I've been on some fuck the world shit lately, free Gucci. And that's a free brick if you're from me. No recouping, no sleeping, no slipping, no hooping, just know we shooting. We tote weapons, before rap it was dope stretching. Throw your dope if them folks sit now, I'm just trying to throw a living. You don't wanna lose your money, don't bet me. Don't test me, I was broke so I sold coke, no Pepsi, short fuse, Joe Pesci, sold the short dude, John Stark, so many bowls of Reggie, flood the whole city like a broke levee.
I run through them bricks, I run through them Zans, I run through them pounds, I run through my bands, they say I'm a man like Shorty Low. She want a D-boy, that's all I know. I be in the trenches, do all the pitching, my name to get mentioned, no fucking no stitches. Want green and gold like I'm the bishop, gold Rolex, my new addition. I been in this shit forever, ever. This shit you got ain't precious metal. I take a Rolex, flood the bezel, bank teller say that I count better. Girlfriend say that go get her. Auntie tell me I know better, but I can't depend on no nigga. I took chance to get cheddar, you know what I've been through, that's why I got issues. Living the tiller like I'm a reverend. Get mine to top like I hit a 7. Vice back to back like this in 11. Hope it ain't 12, I missed the cell. We been through hell, all this to shine. I go so hard, respect my grind. Don't waste time with all that lying. TVG forever, you other niggas fine.